Hey, what is happening? Welcome to the latest update on the BRRR Refurb Finance HMO in Liverpool. I'm here with my wife Amanda. Here's the thing, I need to get Amanda's input because we're in the interior stage now. Hello! How's it going?
Good, all right, mate.
Yes. How you doing?
We've got all the lights on down here now.
Yeah. Nice.
All the switches are on. Kitchen's all up and running. We just had the final one call because we're having to move the sockets upstairs. They wanted them moving, so that's why they aren't in yet, but they'll be in tomorrow.
This looks nice though, doesn't it? Now it's all plastered.
Yeah.
Nice.
Smoke alarms are going up tomorrow. So yeah, really cracked on that.
Great. Good.
Really. Just had a bit of an issue with one of the showers. Plaster forgot to put the cable through, so I've had to go hunting for the cable, but I found it.
The plaster looks like it's dried out nicely.
Yeah.
You can tell it's quite recent. Is this when was this done now? Yeah.
This was done last Friday, was it, Elliot?
Good.
Last Friday?
Sure.
Great.
I think it was last week.
I think it could have been last Friday.
Cool.
One day last week.
So this is the kitchen, Amanda.
Nice.
We won't disturb you, by the way. We'll walk around and film. So basically, the kitchen's good, isn't it?
It does look really good. It does look really good.
Yeah. I also think that.
I love the worktop. That's quite nice.
Yeah. I'm so glad that we chose to knock down the bathroom at the back of the house.
Yeah.
'Cause now it's given a really spacious big kitchen. It would have been terrible, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Plastering looks like it's pretty much finished now. So this is basically the stage where we're up to now, where I kind of lose interest. Because once the actual, the main work is done now, it's pretty much just final fixes now, isn't it? Yeah. Final fixes, and then obviously the interior stuff. So decorating, carpets going down. But although that's where I lose interest, that's not the case for you, is it, Amanda?
No, that's where I get really interested.
That's where you get interested. So let me show you around. This is the front room.
Cool.
So you can tell me what you think.
Looks good. It's still quite a good sized bedroom, isn't it?
It's a really good sized bedroom.
I love how big this ensuite is now. It's quite a good sized room still with this in here.
Yeah.
And even the shower's quite big. You can see the shower tray in here.
Oh, the en-suites.
Shower, it's like a decent sized,
Yeah. Yeah, the en-suites are big.
Yeah, no, it's nice.
We're going to put the toilets in last, because if we put the toilets in too early, then all these guys will shit in them. You what? It doesn't look like it's far off finished now, does it?
No, it doesn't. It doesn't. It just needs a really good tidy up too.
A good tidy up, decorating.
Yeah.
Doors are obviously going to go on like last. So when the electricians first come in, which were these guys, what's the difference between the first fix and the second fix?
First fix is when you put all the cables in.
Yeah.
Second fix is when you put all the goods on, the white goods or whatever you're having on it.
Yeah.
For everything. Upstairs, all the cables are already in the loft, just ready to be poked through. They didn't get poked through for the reason that we didn't know where the shower cable was going at first.
Sure. Yeah. Because we changed around, didn't we? We changed the layout
around
quite a bit. So we've been. Hey mate, how you doing? It's been completely rewired, hasn't it?
Completely.
So we've just literally taken out all the old electrics.
All the old cables gone.
Yeah.
It's all got brand new cabling, brand new fuse board, everything brand new.
Great. So this dude, Chris, who's just come in, he's responsible for fitting all the skirting boards, which look like they're pretty much finished.
Yeah, they are.
So,
It's 99%.
are you going to be doing the doors and stuff at the end as well?
Possibly, yeah.
Possibly, hopefully. Well, if you do a good job with the skirtings, then definitely. Definitely wearing the wrong shoes. I'm wearing my always shoes. I wear these for everything. They cost me a fortune, and I'm going to be wearing them out. Okay, so yeah, front back room.
I love this room. Look how big the windows are.
Yeah.
Really, really nice. Really good. I like it. Upstairs definitely looks more finished, doesn't it? I guess downstairs were all the messes.
Yeah.
Really good.
Skirting boards put in, which is great.
What kind of lights? You did say the lights are going to be pulled through, didn't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a big ensuite.
It is big.
Once this is painted, that is going to look so nice.
Oh yeah.
Once it's painted. I'm thinking carpets, maybe like a grey.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with
And then with the walls, maybe white and potentially just put some feature balls in.
Yeah, definitely white.
All right, come on through. And then this is the third room.
Nice. Oh, this is like the best room, isn't it?
Yeah.
You'd want this room.
Yes.
This is
Also, as well, they did put this. They did this wall ended here,
it. Okay.
but I wanted a bath, so I made them move it back so that we're gonna have a bath
Just
along here. A nice bath.
That's good.
With a shower in it.
Nice.
And then you've got a toilet, sink, lots of space.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's the nicest room, this one, isn't it?
What's that?
This one's the nicest room.
Yeah.
This is a big room.
This is just like a walk-in closet. Like
Yep,
storage.
wardrobe.
Nice. Really cool.
It's good, isn't it?
I like it a lot. I really do.
So just the final touches now with the joiners. Need to
Yeah.
probably get another skip soon. The amount of times we need to get skips, it's crazy.
There's just so much. Isn't there?
Yeah. The kitchen's come out nice, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's a little bit on today. The only thing that won't be on is just kickboards because the floor's got to go in yet.
Yeah.
So that's the only thing.
Cool.
The other kickboards up.
We're gonna get laminate flooring on one. So Mandy, you were quite involved in choosing the kitchen, the design of the kitchen.
Yeah, really nice.
You're happy with it?
Yeah, I am.
What do you think of the
It
doors?
looks very minimal and
Yeah.
like just classic. It's very clean, isn't it?
It is. Well, you don't have there's no handles,
Yeah.
so you can just literally, which is nice.
And it's soft closing too.
It's a
Are
curtain
they
rail.
going to be getting changed or are they just staying like that and then just repainted whenever they paint?
I don't know. Are they going to get changed, Elliot? Do you know?
This is that.
The curtain rail.
Yeah, they can do. Yeah, it's a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
in that room
yeah.
in particular,
Yeah.
they're very worn. Upstairs, not so bad, but I think
Yeah, it's-
downstairs they're
It's not a
quite
big job. It's fine.
cool. Good
It's
work.
getting better, isn't it?
Yeah.
So in conclusion, we're almost done now. Almost done. Plastering's finished. Kitchen's going in. Skirting board's going down now. Now it's the time for the last phase. Should be finished in the next 2 weeks, do you reckon?
I reckon 2 weeks maximum.
2 weeks maximum. This place will be done, which is when we're then going to get the revaluation.
Finish fast.
And then once we've got the revaluation, we're going to get the tenants in, and I'll do a final video real soon showing you exactly what is what. So what do you reckon?
I like it.
You like it? It's a big house, isn't
yeah,
it?
It's big. I really like the rooms.
It's a really big house, key safe as well, so the workers can let themselves in, let themselves out. Can't wait to get rid of this. I tried to get this down, but it just wasn't happening. I think I need to get the guys to do it. But better or worse than you thought?
It's better than I thought.
That's
it
good.
looks like it's quite near completion now.
Are you thinking how to take that down?
No. Just the scrolls. Bump, bump, out, gone.
Oh yeah, you make it sound easy. I tried for 5-10 minutes, made a right fool of myself. Everybody was coming out.
You want to hang on here a minute? I'll show you how you take it down.
Oh really? All right, go on. Here we go.
This should bring it down.
What I was thinking is if you do all the work and unscrew it, and then I'll take the glory and pull it off. Okay. Oh, nice. Well, that was easy, wasn't it?